Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating focus lists because structure reduces friction. Set up one list per project or context and sign into your Microsoft account so items sync everywhere. Once done, open My Day and pick 3-5 priorities. This prevents overwhelm and builds momentum. Make sure to add quick task names, deadlines, and short notes so you capture intent. Also, tag or flag anything that needs follow-up. That way your brain can stop holding tasks and you can act instead. Next, refine each task into actionable steps. Create subtasks or checklists so progress is measurable, and add short notes explaining the outcome you expect. Set due dates and reminders to turn intentions into deadlines. Use repeat rules for recurring work. Once scheduled, apply tags and importance flags to group related items and quickly filter. This reduces decision fatigue when choosing what to work on and keeps deadlines visible, so you spend time doing, not deciding. Finally, build a short review habit. Each evening scan My Day and lists, mark completions, reschedule what's still pending, and archive finished projects to stay tidy. Then integrate with Outlook tasks or Planner when work needs collaboration. That preserves context and avoids duplicated effort. If sync problems occur, sign out of the app and sign back in or clear cache. This usually restores missing items. If issues persist, check account permissions and internet connectivity before making big changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.